I subscribe to a couple research publications on technology. So going through um, my email one day, I came across the Aspire program. I called my pastor. I told him what I saw. I looked at it. I said, that might be good. Somebody could win that. The NDI system, it's actually great because, even with the setup, there is less cabling, and that's a plus. That's something that, when you think about one cable that's handling power, your network capabilities, and your connectivity is great. And then I was able to use that as well to get into the cameras.
NDI features plug-and-play operation, connecting cameras such as our PTZs to your network with a single cable. Using NDI technology, our products come with maximum compatibility in mind. JVC is a recognized leader using NDI in the industry. NDI-enabled devices like JVC's new PTZ NDI camera exponentially increase the video sources available for storytellers, creating efficiencies and opportunities for NDI and for JVC customers who can now enjoy the benefits and freedom that IP content brings.
And this offer, this gift from JVC really has been a blessing. It more or less confirmed a lot of what I was talking about, especially with the PTZ cameras, how easy it is to work, how it can work for our system, how you don't need that many people to operate it, and you can still put out a product that matches some of the churches that probably would have invested $500,000 in the system. Make the investment, take the leap, sit with a professional person who understands the medium, who understands broadcasting. Select a system that's cost effective, that can grow over time. Invest in that system. We won't regret it. Getting feedback from church members when they come and say that their friends who are at home are now tuning in and recognizing that there's a change, there's some type of improvement in the production. We hope that we are able to retain those folks and get them to spread the message of the change.
We give you our hearts, we give you our minds, we give you our time, we give you our talents.
I've been a fan of JVC since 1978. And I know that this is a joke within myself. Eventually, I coined the phrase, nothing comes between me and my JVC.